Hey guys, it's the Creepy Kentuckian here with you, and I'm doing a live review, I guess, of, I don't know what the hell they call these videos, but I've seen them. I want to be watching the Texas Chainsaw 3D trailer. You guys know my prediction on what I think this movie will end up being, but you might want my reactions fresh in mind right after I see the trailer. This thing's coming out in January. It's been rated R, and I'm watching it on YouTube. I got my headphones on so I don't mess with any copyrights or anything, because that's a big thing with YouTube now. You can't have nothing. No voices, no music, no nothing. Oh God, I might have to cover up them posters back there because somebody else made them, not me. So anyway, I want to watch this trailer and you'll see my live reaction to it. Here we go. If you want to watch along with Creepy Kentuckian, I'm pushing play right now. It definitely happened before, and it's definitely going to happen again. I agree there. Oh. Okay, so that's it. I don't know. It does actually look worse than the Platinum Dunes movies. I gotta say, if they could have actually outdone themselves in shittiness, they've done it. Oh God. Hey, go check the trailer out for yourself. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Somebody was saying it definitely, and I agree, it looks like a direct DVD sequel. Some cheap, and I think that's what it probably is, but it's one of those deals where, like, if it wasn't for 3D, they probably would be a direct-to-DVD thing. But they're going to try to cash in on the 3D craze. So, yeah, very underwhelming. Texas Chainsaw 3D. Woo! Woo! I don't know anybody could be excited for that. But anyway, I'll link you with the trailer in the description there. Watch it for yourself. Stupid.